What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we are going to look at 3 reasons why I had sold the majority of my Carnival Cruise Line stock, and it starts right now. What is up, guys? Welcome to the channel, or welcome back. My name's Matt, and in this video we are going to look at 3 reasons why I had sold the majority of my Carnival Cruise Line stock. So let's go ahead and get into it. Real quick, before we get into it, go ahead and do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. It really helps my channel grow. I think right now I'm sitting at about 28 subscribers. To the 28 that have subscribed, thank you. You guys are the real MVPs. Anyway, let's go ahead and hop in as we look at our portfolio. We're going to scroll all the way down. There's so much red in the market today, and as of late, we're going to go to Carnival Cruise Line. So today it sits at $14.64. You know, over the last week, it's down about just over 1%. The last month, it's down almost 11%. The last 3 months, it's down 10% or more. The last year, it is down almost 70%. So when we saw, I think, right before the little dip here, it got as high as $52. Now, when the market hit, obviously the cruise line and the entertainment industry as a whole had been mollywopped, more or less. So it got all the way down to like $7.97 as we go to the 52-week low, $7.80. Now, when I first got into investing, my first channel, or my first video I had put up, I purchased Carnival Cruise at $8.10 on April 3rd. Now, since then, I mean, it's up, but I got it at the very bottom of the market. So, and when we saw it, it actually got as high as almost $25, and then it kind of went back down again. And, you know, as we sit here and we look at it, why not just hold on to it? Why not have it be a longer term play? So I came up with 3 ideas, or 3 reasons why I had sold the majority of my position. Now, as it sits right now, I still own 8 shares. It is under 10% of my portfolio. Again, when I first started, it was about 85% of my portfolio. So over time, as I had been investing, I didn't pick up any more positions in Carnival Cruise Line. I just started selling more off and investing more to kind of dilute that holding. So one of the reasons why is I had actually made 100% return on my money. So when I had sold the majority of my position, I want to say, let's look at it here. Let's look at my history here. So I purchased 47 shares on April 3rd at $8.10. Since then, August 5th, I sold 32 shares at $13.90. And the reason for that was, again, I wanted to dilute that holding. I rolled that money into purchasing a share of Apple and kind of spread out and diversify my positions and portfolio even more. So the number one was I made enough on a return. Again, it was at $13.90 minus $8.10, which is what, $5.80 times. So I had made $185 just from holding on to that stock. I pulled out, and again, I left some more in there of the 32. So I sold that at $13.90, and then 22 days later, I sold another 7 shares for $16.20. So I got out. I'm still in it. I'm still holding a small percentage, but again, I had made enough on a return. So that was number one. Number two, this whole atmosphere and this whole the entertainment industry is going to be really contingent on a vaccine. I mean, I'm 35 years old. I don't even think I would want to go on a cruise right now, regardless of the price, if there wasn't a vaccine out. Now, in the last week, we have seen 6 companies move forward with vaccines. You know, we're able to they're able to start mass producing that. Again, we don't really know the long-term results of it, but for people that are going to be going on cruises, it's going to be the majority of older people that are going to be higher at risk. So that was my second reason. Number 3, I just felt the recovery for this stock was just way too long. I felt that with this market, you know, my money would be better suited in other stocks like Apple, like, you know, Gain, like LTC, Stag, Home Depot, Land, AT&T, O Realty, those sorts of companies. I felt that they would do better with the money long term. Now, again, I still hold 8 stocks of Carnival Cruise, and it's more of like, it's my speculative stock. You know, if it goes back up to what it was pre-COVID, I mean, $52, shit, I'll take it. You know, I've already made money in this position, so right now it's what we like to call free rolling. So if it goes to 0, it doesn't matter, and if it shoots all the way up to $50, I'm cool with that too. And if it stays right where it is, that's fine as well. Now, if it does get back to where, you know, it thrives and it's doing well, and people start to get in going on cruises again, and they bring back that 50-cent dividend, I mean with 8 shares, that's an extra $4 a quarter, so that's an extra $16 a year that I could turn around and I'll drip it right back into it. So I mean, that's you know, it is what it is with that, and that's kind of how I feel with that. And then lastly, you know, once the vaccine does come out and it has shown proven results, this stock is going to skyrocket. I think this stock, casino stocks, you know, retail stocks, those sorts of things, those are all going to skyrocket. I would imagine the entire market is, if we can get back to pre-COVID results. So again, just recapping, I had made enough return on my money to pull the money out of Carnival Cruise. It's contingent on a vaccine. You know, we'll see the trends moving towards more people going on cruises once that vaccine comes out. And number 3, I just felt that the recovery was too long and the money would be better suited in other positions. So thanks again for watching, guys. Go ahead and do me a huge favor. Smash that like button if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel. It really helps the growth. And leave a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are on Carnival Cruise. Take care. Have a great Friday. Have a great weekend. Let's get after it next Monday, and let's hopefully all build our portfolios as we move forward. Thanks again for watching.